Hey anglers! Check out the Redington Fly Fishing Combo Kit featuring the durable TOPO Outfit Rod paired with a smooth Crosswater Reel. This kit includes a 9-foot, 5-weight rod pre-spooled with Rio Mainstream WF5F fly line for effortless casting. You'll also get a 5x tapered reel leader, 6 high-floating flies in a handy fly box, and an extra spool of Rio tippet. A nipper and a zippered carrying case complete the set, making it easy to stay organized on the water. The compact, packable design is perfect for outdoor adventures or beginners starting their fly fishing journey. Everything you need comes ready to go, so you can just add water and start fishing. This combo is designed to provide a smooth, enjoyable experience for all skill levels. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.